Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equation. So now I want to show you how to answer. We want to verify that the given equation is a solution to the corresponding differential equation. So now I want to show you how to answer. So we need to find only complementary solution. So I will put about yc equals to e to the power of lambda s. Later that we do first the derivative of yc, and we have lambda e to the power of lambda s. Because if we do first the derivative of this one, we keep the same e to the power of lambda s. Later that we do first the derivative of lambda s, you got lambda. Now we go to second derivative of yc, and we have lambda square e to the power of lambda s. Now I will put this one gone here, this one gone here, and this one gone here. So we can do about factorization by e to the power of lambda s. And now we need to find the solutions of this one. So we have lambda equals to number 2 and lambda equals to negative number 3. And now we can find about y equals to yc. And yc we have c number 1 e to the power of lambda s. And now we need to change lambda into number 2. So we have 2s, and we have c number 2 e to the power of negative 3s. And now we go back to this one. We see that we have y equals to e to the power of 2s. We have this one in here. So in this situation, because they are the constant, so we can choose about c1 equals to number 1, c2 equals to number 0, and we have y equals to this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.